Hello guys, welcome to my admin tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix headphones not detecting problem in your Windows 11 and Windows 10. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your headphones are not detecting in your Windows 11 and Windows 10, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then click on Settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see a troubleshoot, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. In this you can see playing audio. You need to run this setup. After completion of this setup, just close this window and try the second method. Just click on Start menu, then type here Device Manager. You can see a device manager, just click on that. In this you can see a sound, video, games and controllers. You need to double click on that. Select this audio driver, right click on that, click on update driver and click on browse my computer for the drivers. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and select the driver and click on next. After completion of this, just close this window. Then try the third method. Again you have to click on Start menu. Then type here Advanced System Setting. Click on View Advanced System Settings. Click on Hardware tab. Click on Device Installation Setting. And click on Yes, then click on Save Changes. Then close this window and try the fourth and final method. Just click on the Start menu, then click on Settings, click on Windows Update and click on Check for Windows Update. Before clicking Check for Windows Update, you have to make sure that you are connected to the internet. After connecting to the internet, just click on Check for Windows Update. Guys, it will take some time to download the Windows update. You have to wait to complete this process. After completion of this Windows download, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix headphones not detecting problem in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.